Hello friends, myself Captain Ajit Pavaskar, sailing as a master on board MV Hulk 2. Started sailing as a master since last 8 years. Initially I started with ONGC and since last 1 year I am sailing with the Hermes Ship Management. Presently we are towing rig Ensco 8506 from Houston to Alayga, Turkey. We have started this journey. For the entire voyage is about 3.5 months to reach Alayga, Turkey. So during the voyage we have to pass multiple tasks. We have to face the Atlantic weather also. We have to pass Gulf of Mexico, Atlantic Ocean, Mediterranean Sea and Aegean Sea, and finally reach Alayga. So we have a good team to manage everything, monitoring everything, and everybody is due for sign off. So hopefully we reach on time and get relief on arrival. Thank you.
Welcome on board one of the most challenging long distance maritime towing operation.
Hello seafarers, sailors and sea lovers around the world. Welcome back to my channel. I am Chief Officer Pradeep Singh, proudly from the beautiful hills of Uttarakhand, India, now sailing across the globe.
We are currently doing the ISCO 8605 assembly Silverwood offshore drilling rig, all the way from Galveston, Texas to Alayga, Turkey. This is not an ordinary voyage. We are covering a distance of 6,600 nautical miles, covering multiple sea and international maritime zones at an average speed of just 3.65. The journey is expecting to take around 75 to 80 days, depending on weather, sea condition, and route.
Hi, good afternoon. Welcome to Hulk 2. This is Second Officer Prasanna, and we are going to go ahead with our voyage plan from Galveston to Alayga, Turkey. My background: I'm working as Second Officer for last 6 years in Aramco and various other oil fields. I've joined this vessel in July in Gibraltar, and we stayed to Turkey, and then we came back to America to pick up an oil rig. So this voyage is going from Galveston to most probably Alayga, Turkey, and we'll stop for bunkering points. I'll just show you a brief voyage plan what's going to happen with us. So we started sailing here from USA, Galveston, and then all the way we are through Atlantic Ocean, transiting via Gibraltar. We'll be taking bunkers in Malta and proceeding to Aegean Sea. Most probably the voyage time is around 25-20 days, and we hope to cover it as soon as possible so we can go back home. Well, that's it, and have a good voyage. Bye-bye.
Good morning. I am YSS Rao, Chief Engineer from Visakhapatnam. I have 20 years experience as Chief Engineer. Now I am sailing in Hulk 2 and joined in April 2025. And this vessel having 4 main engines running on heavy oil, and total power is 13,600 kilowatt. We have 3 winches and 1 is towing and 2 are anchor handling. We have 150 bollard pull towing winches. We have beautiful crew, 1 second engineer, 1 third engineer, an ETO, and 2 oilers, 1 fitter and wiper. They are very good and positive thinking people, and they have very good teamwork and very cooperative people.
हाँ जी, मेरा नाम कुलजीत सिंह, सैकंड इंजीनियर। मैं पंजाब तो बिलोंग करदा, डिस्ट्रिक्ट हुशियारपुर, तहसील मुकेरियां, और मैं हल्क 2 वैसल पे ज्वाइन किया 2015 जुलाई 2025, और ऑलमोस्ट मैनू 17 या 18 साल हो गए काम करते हुए ये लाइन दे विच। हल्क 2 च सेल करदा, और ये बरसीला के 4 इंजन है, 13,500 BHP, और ये हैवी ऑयल ते चलदा, और इस विच 2 ऑक्सिलरी इंजन है, जनरेटर है, 1500 RPM है एक इंजन का और 578 bhp है जनरेटर। और
तो I am Rajkamal Chaudhary as a working as a third engineer Hulk 2. I am joined 4 August 2025. I am working as a routing and maintenance job and vessel is 4 man engine there, 9814 kilowatt and 2 auxiliary engine there and this is the
ये वेसल मैंने हल्क 2 30 मार्च को ज्वाइनिंग किया था अंगोला से, तो मेरे को हो गया है ऑलमोस्ट 7 महीना हो गया है कंप्लीट। अभी और देखो कभी होता है ख़त्म, ऑलमोस्ट 1 महीना और बचा है घर जाने का। और मैं इधर इलेक्ट्रिक का मेंटेनेंस वगैरह जो भी इलेक्ट्रिक का है वो सब संभालता हूँ। ये हमारा डीसी पैनल है 24 वोल्ट का जो बैटरी के थ्रू चलता है, जो बैकअप पावर देता है हमको ब्लैकआउट होने के बाद। ये भी वही पैनल है, ये उसके चार्जर है दोनों। बस ये हमारा यही है, बस ये हमारा बाकी और पैनल है 220 और
হাই গাইস, আমার নাম দীপাঞ্জন বেরেল, আমি ইন্ডিয়া থেকে এসেছি হাল্ক 2 মে। এখন আমাদের নর্থ সি আটলান্টিকে সেলিং চলছে, তো এখানে সব ঠিকঠাক আছে একদম ভালো। ये वेसल हाल्क 2 है, मैं इधर ज्वाइनिंग किया मार्च 2025 एंड इधर सब बढ़िया है। और इधर कैप्टन, चीफ ऑफिसर, चीफ इंजीनियर, सेकंड इंजीनियर सब ऑफिसर ही अच्छा है, बढ़िया हमारा काम चल रहा है इधर। लगभग मेरे को इधर 7 महीने हो गया, तो अभी हम सब इधर अच्छे ही चल रहा है, सब पार्टी वार्टी भी करता हूँ हम लोग, सब बढ़िया है। शाम को भी हम चपाती बनाता हूँ क्योंकि इधर सारे इंडियाई आदमी हैं, तो हम चपाती के लिए जीएस आता है, तो सब बढ़िया है एकदम। और এখানে ডাল হচ্ছে, রুটির জন্য একটু পরে আসবে, তো হেল্প করার জন্য একজন আসবে, তো রুটি বানাবো তখন। বাকি তো সব ঠিকঠাক, আর টু একদম ওকে। জয় হিন্দ, জয় শ্রীরাম।
जॉब है। और इस जहाज पे मैं ज्वाइन किया हूँ साउथ अफ्रीका से, लुंडा पोर्ट से 31 मार्च को, और मेरा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ख़त्म होगा 30 सितंबर को। और ऑफिसर यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छे हैं, हेल्पफुल हैं, और सब क्रू यहाँ मिल के रहता है। और
Hello guys, my name is Pankaj Singh. I am sailing as a able seaman from last 8 years. We have to connect one rig from Galveston port and take the rig up to Turkey. So the voyage plan is around of 75 days. This will be the longest voyage for us, and then we hope for the best. Thank you.
Myself Akash Kumar Nanda. I am from Odisha. I work on MB Hulk and my oiler. My daily routine check all machinery and all parameters
मेरा नाम राज विजय यादव है। आयलर ग्रुप में मैं ज्वाइनिंग किया 31 मार्च को 2025 को हल्क 2 में। हल्क 2 में सारे टेम्परेचर सब गेजेस का लेंथ चेक करना सारा, उसके बाद जो रूटीन वर्क है हम लोग अपना मेंटेनेंस का शुरू करते हैं।
नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम नवनीत कुमार है। मैं हिमाचल प्रदेश इंडिया का रहने वाला हूँ। मैंने हल्क 2 जहाज़ पे ज्वाइनिंग की है जुलाई 2025। ये मेरा करियर का पहला जहाज़ है। ये यहाँ क्रू और ऑफिसर बहुत हेल्पफुल है। मुझे हर चीज़ सिखाते हैं और मैं उनका धन्यवाद करता हूँ एंड थैंक यू।
मेरा नाम जितेंद्र चौहान है। एज ए फिटर हल्क 2 पे ज्वाइनिंग किया हूँ 15 जुलाई को। जिब्राल्टर से ज्वाइनिंग किया और 3 महीने लगभग हो गए। देखिए टर्की जा करके जो साइन अप हो सकता है और ये मेरा काम है। ये पूरे सड़ गया था जो कि पूरा मैं कट करके निकाला, नया एंगल डाल रहा हूँ, वेल्डिंग कर रहा हूँ और नया प्लेटफॉर्म बना दूंगा। धन्यवाद दोस्तों।
हेलो सी फेलर्स, मेरा नाम मनीष ठाकुर है और मैं यहाँ पे एज ए वाइपर हूँ। मैंने ज्वाइन किया 2 मई को और मुझे 6 मंथ यहाँ पे हो गए और बहुत ही अच्छा वेसल है हल्क 2। यहाँ पे मेरे को बहुत ही कुछ सीखने को मिला है और जो हमारे सीनियर्स हैं उनसे भी बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है और सभी अच्छे से ट्रीट करते हैं और मेरा एक्सपीरियंस यहाँ पे बहुत ही अच्छा रहा है। बहुत कुछ इनसे सीखने को मिल रहा है। उम्मीद है आगे भी बहुत कुछ सीखूंगा।
So there's a quick update on the tow and tug ENSCO 8506. We've been experiencing rough weather since last few days. So it's being a challenging weather. The high swell of 3.5 meters currently en route to Gibraltar, and hurricane system is currently active in our area. So what we have done is we are going off for a shelter near Bahamas, southeast position between 2 islands. The thing is that there's a low pressure that is building up, and in our position which could be a potential of forming a tropical storm later on. So as a precautionary measure, we've decided to move off from our course and we'll be heading to southeast of Bahamas, and we'll keep you updated.
Hello seafarers, welcome back to my channel. I am Chief Officer Pradeep Singh. Right now we are in Turkey and
Good morning everyone, welcome to Navigator PD. This is the channel of Chief Officer Pradeep, and I have here with me today Captain Ajit Pavaskar from Mumbai and Chief Officer Pradeep from Uttarakhand, and myself Second Officer Prasanna from Mumbai as well. We had a big voyage from Galveston, USA to Aliaga, Turkey, and tomorrow might be our last day on board as well because we will be signing off after the handover of the tug. So we are here to discuss a few points and share our experiences during these voyages. So I'll just go to the Chief Officer now.
Here in Turkey on August
8th of August.
8th of August, and then we crossing Gibraltar and reach US. So it is was approx 1 month. Right,
1 month.
right. So after that we have towing one rig ISCO 805, and we almost stay 8 days. So preparing everything. Yeah.
Around 8 days there for pre-arrival and
For 8 to 9 days, but we never get chance to go around US because as we don't have a US visa.
Right.
So what we did, we connected this tow on 18th of September in the morning hours and start our passage, a long passage of 79 days. 79 days. Actually plan was our relief as planned in Gibraltar, but due to some operational requirement it is extended to till Turkey, and by tomorrow morning we are reaching in Turkey and we will disconnect the tow. So during the passage, the first 18 days was a wonderful passage till
Very smooth.
Gulf of Mexico.
Yeah, very smooth.
Very good weather.
So as we reached Bahamas, it is weather was unexpected to us, and with a tow, this is my first experience as an ocean towing vessel. So I was worried earlier, but these two guys, the chief engineers, doing fantastic job. And we passed about 6 days. We were there. We actually traveled south of the Bahamas Island.
Yes.
Till the time weather gets subside, and we'll start our next journey.
So my also is like his first voyage in North Atlantic Oceans. We never been there. So I done long voyage, 80 days, 75 days, but it's North Atlantic I never done. So my also experience the first time I see weather. Very bad.
The weather was rough because of the cold front. Cold front start from the October end.
Yeah.
So the swell height was 3.5 continuous, 3.5 meters, and sometimes winds it's touching to the 60 knots, 70 knots. So single voyage is a good voyage, but along with the tow it's very difficult because the tow tension is exceeded about 150 tons.
Yeah, right. We saw.
This was my third voyage in Atlantic, so I was expecting bad weather. But the previous voyages I did was with cargo vessels, so we had speed. So the rolling and pitching was not affected as much as it was in this voyage.
Right.
The biggest challenge was keeping the tow in line while facing the wind, and most probably we had to turn back. That happened 3 times, which was a bit nervous for me because we were supposed to arrive soon and go home in Gibraltar, but that did not happen. So yeah, apart from that part, the voyage was good. The bridge team, especially the captain and chief officer, I'm really thankful. They guided me well, they treated me well. It was a polite and good working environment on board here. We have a good company that supports us, and they also try to facilitate sign off in Gibraltar, but as captain said, due to operational requirements. So that is an occupational hazard that we have to always counter in. So finally we are here in Turkey today, and hopefully tomorrow we will go home.
Yes, hopefully
Yeah.
you all do go home.
Yeah, me and the captain will go home, and the chief officer is going to stay here, hopefully for a week, and he'll be relieved as well. So this is the sad part that we have to leave him here, but yeah, he's an important officer and he has to do the handover, so I understand completely.
Whenever we doing company sign off, so we cannot be go together like captain and chief officer. So company are planning maybe 2-3 days, so 2 days.
Yeah. So all key officers cannot sign off together. That is the main issue.
Especially I mention about my chief engineer, his notice with me.
Yes, somebody.
He did fantastic job during the voyage. Because of 80 days voyage, it's a long voyage, continuous voyage. The lack of provision, we cannot preserve provisions for 80 or 90 days. The initial 15-20 days we can manage with the fresh provisions. The rest all other voyage we have completed with entirely with the frozen provisions. Right?
Yeah, और वो भी उसमें एक जो लंबा हम वॉयज कर रहे हैं जहाँ आपको कुछ नहीं नजर आएगा,
कुछ नहीं नजर
इवन लैंड कुछ भी होता है तो कोई बचाने वाला
नहीं। अटलांटिक ओशन सबसे बड़ा ओशन है दुनिया में, और उसका मतलब हमें इस वॉयज में पता चला जब हमने स्टार्ट टू एंड उसे पूरा किया। तकरीबन 45 दिन हमने ना जहाज देखा, ना आदमी देखा, सिर्फ समुंदर और स्काई, इसके अलावा हमने कुछ नहीं देखा।
हैरिकेन देखा हमने,
हैरिकेन देखा, हाँ,
उससे हम भाग रहे थे।
और मिथिल्डा
we are coming with a 3.5 knot speed. So you cannot avoid any weather. If it is unexpected weather with ahead of us, you cannot avoid it. We have to pass it. That's it.
But yeah, we did it, and the 45 days we were continuously rolling and pitching. It is not a normal thing for any human being, but as seafarers, some of you are aware and some of you have told that the conditions that we work in are very harsh. That's why it makes us different from the people working in a land job and working at sea. So once you have a good team on board, because this is a family away from family, and we have to make sure that we support each other. And there are times that you feel depressed, so you always have your people to talk with you. So I had captain and chief officer and some of the other colleagues who are working down. They are busy right now. So all together, the voyage was amazing, and the most happiest part is that we are here and we will go home. And we are waiting to go home. That is the main thing.
About the relief also, everything has been planned. Our on-signers also are in a port. So as soon as we reach tomorrow morning, maybe by evening tomorrow, we will leave the ship.
Yeah, we hope they come back soon, and we go soon as possible.
We'll go soon as possible.
So, friends, we have to touch up now. This is lock on पर करते हैं. तो मैं ब्लॉक के टाइम आपको मिलेंगे कैप्टन सेकंड अलग नहीं कौन सी गाइड में है पर डेफिनेटली वी विल hopefully thank you captain.
Thank you, Chief.
Thank you, Chief.
Second.
This was the experience, and bye bye. We will see you again.
Bye bye. See you.